Hey guys, and today we're going to be doing this very dramatic winged look today. I actually fell in love with it, and if you want to find out how to get this look, just keep on watching. And the palette we're going to be using today is the Soft Glam palette by ABH, and I'm going into this orange soda shade there and just buffing that into my crease. Moving on, I'm going in with this burnt orange shade here, and again just popping that into my crease, deepening it up a little bit. Moving on, I'm using the sienna shade here, and I'm patting that where I want the most amount of pigment, so on the outer V there. I want the most amount of pigment, so I'm just tapping it there and blending it out. And the next shade is called Mulberry there, and I'm again deepening out the outer V and just popping that there and blending that so it looks seamless. I am then cutting my crease, and to set that in place I'm using that temperature shade and then going back into burnt orange and sienna and just buffing that out so it looks all blended. And next I'm just going to be using my NYX glitter glue and also using this glitter from MAC in the shade Reflex Gold, and I'm just patting that on there just to make it look a bit nicer to look at really. And now that the glitter is officially on both eyes, I'm then going in with burnt orange and sienna again and just buffing that where the glitter and the shadows meet, just so it looks more seamless and more blended and doesn't look weird. And then I'm just going to be using my NYC liquid liner here, and my hand got in the way quite a few times, but if you can just see what I'm doing here and kind of doing the base of the liner and then flicking it out where my crease begins, and then I'm just going to be using this Noir shadow in the palette to kind of blend the liner out so it doesn't look so harsh. And as you can see, I'm just continuing to pack on more of that black shade there until I'm happy with how the look is turning out. And because I still want there to be a bit of warmth there, I'm then going to go in back with this mulberry shade there and just kind of making sure that it's still quite warm and not so cool toned. And that's the finished eye. I then just pack on a little bit of a glitter that I think has fallen off, and I'm then just going to go in with my Colossal mascara from Maybelline and these unicorn lashes in the style Cherry Top there. And I'm just going to go in with my NYX Angel Veil primer and just buff that into the skin just so it helps prime the face. And I'm then just going to go in with my Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid just to give the face a bit of luminosity. And for foundation, I'm going to be going in with this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Swan, and I'm just popping some stripes across my face. I'm then going to contour with this LA Girl Pro Concealer here and just pop that on my cheekbones and my forehead and my nose just to bronze up the face. Then to conceal, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C1 and just concealing under my eye, chin, nose, forehead, you know the drill. Then to set that all in place, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent. And then to bronze the face, I'm going to go in with this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Tan, and I'm just going to bronze up the face, such as the forehead and the cheekbones, under my chin, and just a little bit across my nose. And to contour, I'm going to be using my ABH contour kit and using these two shades here. And for blush, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Lifesetter Peach and using the Kylie Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Santorini and highlighting the face, and also popping that in my inner corner and brow bone. And popping back into these two shades here and running that under my lash line, and then into Mulberry just to deepen up the lash line a little. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Malibu Lip Liner, the Dose of Colours liquid lipstick in the shade Sand, and the lip gloss in the shade Barely There. And this is the finished look, guys. If you like this look, feel free to give it a thumbs up, a comment, or possibly even subscribe if you like. But for now, guys, bye!